Alden Richard update is a post ng O-Secure na endorsement ni Alden. And 3 skincare solution with Alden Richard. Ito yung video.
You have to pay so much for skincare to have beautiful skin. Parang with a very affordable price, with these products that we have right now, ang dami ko rin nakikitang testimonies and video confessions on how O-Secure really helped a lot of people in terms of skincare. Hindi na tayo pabata. Wala na tayo sa kalendaryo pero nasusunod pa rin tayo. Take care of your skin, guys. Take care of your skin with O-Secure.
Yes. Yes.
Simplihan lang natin, kumbaga, basicin lang natin.
Less is more.
Less is more.
Yeah, go with the simple skincare.
Exactly. Because of O-Secure, nasanay na yung balat ko na hindi masyadong maraming nilalagay. So, unlike before na ang daming kailangan gawin. So, it really changed the quality of my skin and the texture of my skin all throughout these years that I've been using.
Alden!
Nagpapati ni Alden.
Mami B, happy birthday po!
Alden!
Kinilig pa nga
Alden, happy birthday, Mami!
Mami B, happy birthday po!
Ito yung spotted si Alden Richard sa Benz Halo-Halo dyan sa Paseo Santa Rosa, Laguna. Kasama niya dyan ang kapatid niya, si Kuya RD, saka si Angel. Ayan, sila yung magkakasama dyan. And napatake out pa nga sila ng Halo-Halo. And may kausap sa phone si Alden. Ayan yung mga picture. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for my update. See ya.